G'day everyone, and welcome to Nature Walk. Now you're probably wondering, why am I wearing snow gear? Well, this is to keep me warm during these cold winter months. Now apparently, of course, you do not need snow gear for snow conditions. It is to keep yourself warm when you're outside in freezing conditions. And of course we are expecting a freezing winter, of course, well, naturally. But go to your nearest Anaconda store. There they have a big range of snow gear and thermal gear. Now the thermal gear will help keep you warm, and for the snow gear, that's for outside freezing conditions. Now of course it isn't cheap, but in the long run it does keep you warm, and it helps to save electricity and gas trying to heat up a very large area. It's better if you keep yourself warm, and cheaper too. So have a really good laugh at what you're seeing, at my expense of course, and please take note, keep yourself warm during these really freezing months, because in the long run it's better for you. Until next time, see you then.